GoPro fell down. God damn. I saved it though. Woo! That fucking first gear, man. What a save. Okay, this is a first gear right now. Fuck it, first gear. Ah, that was first. I'm gonna try. This is my first lap. I'm first, so second lap will be a second gear. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the clutch. Hit that neutral. There you go. I'm gonna adjust it, see if that helps. Bring it in more. Alright, see if that helps. So, won't. So, won't. So, won't. So, won't. Let's try it. It's choppy, man. Once it's up there, it scares me. That one was good. Just out here, wheelie practice on first. That one was okay. Alright, what's it like? What the fuck you going to Yamaha? Whoa, I'm going over there. Whoa, let's go. I guess it's here. I don't know. What the fuck? I'm in the right place. Let's see the Yamaha logo. So guess what's inside that box? The new R6? Maybe. Oh, don't forget the keys. Alright, so I'm here to help one of my followers that hit me up on Instagram. He just got his first bike. He went with a 16 Yamaha R6. I think the matte gray color. And right now he's over there taking his class so he can get his license. I'm here helping out the home take his bike to his casa. What's up, bro? You Jason?
Huh?
You Jason?
No, sir.
Who's Jason?
Inside.
Inside? Okay.
What you coming in for?
Pick up a bike?
What are you picking up?
An R6?
Oh, for your buddy?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with this?
My friend's coming right now and get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was going to say, you don't want to leave that.
No, Oh shit. The fuck I look like? I'm gonna leave my shit here, bro. Don't disrespect me like that, bro. Don't do that shit again, alright?
I ain't going to say it no more.
You're lucky I'm feeling friendly today. But anyway, so I'm here to pick up this dude's bike, take it to his house. Alright, let's go inside and check out this place. See what they got.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state.
Alright, it's time to take her home. So it's fucking go time. The fucking music is loud. Wow, it's so smooth. It barely has 506 miles. That's brand new. So smooth, man. But yeah, wow. I like the matte gray. Like I said, it barely has 506 miles. Papa, you. That's a cop right there following me, man. What the fuck is going on here? So like I was saying, I'm helping him out, take it to the house. That's my babe right there. Woo, arrive. All right, so let's just wait for this other dude to get here, and so he can take my bike, I take his bike.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new.
Oh my god! It's a prank, fam. It's a prank. Yo, I'm about to show y'all my new headlight. Bam 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 bam. Voila! Oh yeah, I'm approved, baby. You see? Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's go, it's go time. It's go time, let's go.
Up in the air, I want you to